Hey everyone, in this video, I'll be talking about this amazing platform where you record your daily activities and you upload. Once you are accepted, you upload your daily activities. It can be audio, it can be video, and you get paid for doing that. All right, so this is Training AI, work from home job opportunity. Join the beta waitlist. Be among the first to experience Luel's revolutionary AI training data marketplace. So as you can see, this is the platform. It's called Luel.ai. And before you rush to go there, you need to watch the video to the end to see the sign up process so that you won't miss anything and so that you can be getting jobs. All right. So this is how basically it is. To those of you that apply for micro one, okay, this is kind of micro one, but this is an updated version. So when I said updated version, I actually know what I'm saying. This is far, far better than micro one. Well, micro one is still there. You can still apply. All right. So this is a sign up process. And then you click your name, your first name. Now they're going to ask you for your recording device and equipment. Select the device you own. This helps us process your application faster. So you can actually check this. It doesn't mean or you should not click the one that I click, all right? If you don't have laptop, you shouldn't click laptop, right? So you're going to click the one that's best applied to you, okay? So that is it. Just listen to the information. Then after you clicking on the ones best applicable to you, then you click continue. Then the next thing is your location. Okay, they are accepting Nigeria. So you are going to click on Nigeria, your country. Okay, I believe Nigeria is here. Yeah. So click on Nigeria. Your language, you click on English. If you can speak French, click on French also. If you can speak any of these languages, all right, you can actually click on it. Okay, so you leave this place blank if it is only English you know how to speak. Please listen attentively and keep watching because I don't want you to DM me and start asking questions that I've actually answer in this particular video. All right. So now it's when it gets to this place now, they said, what type of content can you contribute? Select what you can contribute. We will match you with relevant opportunities, right? So the ones you know you can do, it's of no use if you create a profile and when they ask you to render the services, you cannot render the services. So it is advisable you click the one that is best applicable to you and you can do, all right? So make sure you read them. Full body recording, product demonstration, action or movement, indoor or outdoor scene. If you're an introvert, you might not be able to click this because if you click on indoor or outdoor scene, that shows if they ask you to go out and record, okay, you might be feeling shy and you might not be able to do it. So the only thing you can be doing is indoor. So screenshots, real world photos, documents or text photos, product and objects. So you now click on I agree to the terms, right? And then we complete the registration. It's as simple as ABC, all right? So this is how you apply to this platform, all right? And then you will get shortlisted. Now you are on the list. So they're going to email you in the next 24 hours to 48 hours. Yes, 1 day to 2 days, telling you that you have been approved. And then you will log into your dashboard. Remember on micro one, you don't have a dashboard that is displaying, but this one you have a dashboard. So, and you record videos from 5 minutes to 1 hour long. Okay, and you'll be seeing the videos you have actually uploaded. You'll be seeing them on your dashboard, and you'll be seeing the ones they accepted and your earnings. So, and the payment method here is either Stripe or Venmo or Wise. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how to create a Stripe account. I'm going to show you the incredible way for you to create a Stripe account. So if you are willing to know how to create a Stripe account, because it's easier with Stripe, okay? So you're going to create and connect your Stripe account so that you can easily receive your money. All right. So if you want to know how to create a Stripe account, hit that subscribe button and please like the video, thumbs up. To some of you that watch the video, you will not thumbs up, you will not comment, you will not like, you will just watch and go, why are you doing this? It is not good. Okay, by liking and commenting, you're actually pushing the video to people that needed it. You're actually telling YouTube that this video is valuable and that you love it and you want people also to learn more about. Don't be selfish, okay? Only you should not be having updates. So as you hear the update, you push it out, and this is the only way you can help me grow this channel. Okay, I'm not asking you for money, I'm not asking you for anything to release updates to you. All right, so please like and comment below. That will send a signal to algorithm that yes, you love the video. Okay, so this is how basically it is. As you can see, your content, you'll be seeing your content So this is a wonderful platform. I love this platform. Okay, two ways to work with Luel. So as you can see, you can browse on the data sets and see videos that have been uploaded and all of. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to create a Stripe account. Then questions that you guys are asking me concerning PayPal and all of that. You're not receiving code on PayPal. Your PayPal is banned. It has limitation. Or to those of you that open a UK account with PayPal and then now that Nigerian PayPal is okay, so you don't know what to do, either to close your UK PayPal or to leave it and open Nigerian PayPal. All of this is going to be settled in my next video. And very soon we'll be going live. So you join me in my live broadcast so that you can actually understand what PayPal is all about and how to create a Stripe account to receive your earnings when you are being paid from this platform called Well. So thank you for watching. And if you have not liked and subscribed up till now, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share the video to your family, to your sisters, your brothers, so that you are earning, preparing to earn, them too can prepare to earn. There is love in sharing, right? So do well to share this video, do well to like, do well to subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that when incredible videos come like this, YouTube will not fail to notify you. You can also join my community. The link is in the pinned comment of this video. So guys, see you in my next video. As you all know, I love to see you in my next video. This is End with Ease channel, where you receive legit updates on how to make money online. See you guys in my next video. Catch you. Bye.